Hey YouTube, Spooky Skelly here. Today we're playing Unova RPG. Unova RPG. This is a fun game. It's about Pokemon if you like Pokemon. So, I got 23 badges. I beat 14 of the Elite Four, and I beat 1 Battle Frontier. And this is not my whole team. I got actually 3 level 100s. I got Simisage. He's not my starter. My starter is right here. Chimchar, but it evolved. And that's a shiny Lucario. It could Mega Evolve. And then this is my Larvitar. It's a shiny also. It could Mega Evolve. This is my Zapdos. It's not shiny or anything. So let's go to the Pokemon that I caught. Right here. And also don't forget to leave a like on this video. Don't forget to share. Oh, Larvitar fainted because of the last battles. Also, this is my starter. It's a level 100. It's maxed. The one that you saw up there, that's a shiny, and I was gonna max that one out too, but I was just like, no, I'm okay. So let me show you how much shiny Pokemon that I have. So I have all of these shinies, including this pink Genesect, a shiny Celebi, a shiny Larvitar, shiny Bulbasaur, shiny Cresselia, shiny Gabite, shiny Monferno, shiny Stantler, shiny Simisage, which you see up here, right there, shiny Cosmo, shiny Shaman, shiny Prinplup, shiny Umbreon, shiny Charmeleon, and shiny Lucario maxed out. So today I'm gonna try to beat one of these gyms that I couldn't beat. So I need to go to maps and rooms. Go to gym leaders. Johto. I'll show you guys how to play if you wanted to play. So if you go, if you go to this rooms, scroll all the way down and you'll see search room. Type of room you want to train in. Live battle arena, you could battle other people. Events, just regular events. Pokemon, that all, and then chat. Yeah, use Pokemon, my Pokemon. Yeah, you just do that stuff. Click it and then you'll see your Pokemon locator. So you click that. It says A through Z. So click that. And then you'll see that it says all the Pokemon names in there. Some of the Pokemon you have to have all the gym badges to catch. And that's all. There's only 48 gym badges. Wait, I'm gonna show you guys the Pokemon that are here. What are these people? That's the gym leader. I can't beat it. But I will! Oi, mate! I forgot to heal. Oh my gosh. Go, Greninja. Oh! He's trying to get rid of me. Hey. Really, Dragonair? Oh yeah, Simisage? Let's go, Simisage. Let's crush these. By the way, my Simisage is shiny. I know it looks weird, but still. It's pretty cool. So, let's go with Energy Ball, Solar Beam. What? Dragonair should be dead by now. One more hit. Ah! Wow! Well, it doesn't matter. You're dead. Dead. Trying to try me? I'll crush you. No! Don't die on me. All I have is Greninja. See, this is the Pokemon I always get to. And I still can't beat it because they're all level 100s. So what I need to do is level up. Rock. Hey, kill me. You know, I am going get all of my good Pokemon. You. I don't need you on my battle team right now. So let's add Infernape. Let's add Simipour, I don't need you. And then, let's add Priscilla, even though she doesn't have good moves. But she sure does have a lot of health. I can teach Priscilla these. I'm gonna teach her Psychic. I'm gonna get rid of Double Team. Let's go to Move, Tutor, Cough Drops. Cough Drop. And let's learn this man's Aura Beam. Aura Beam. Oh man, why is my leg itchy? I was lightning before thunder. Woo! Cause I gotta close that out. Hey! Oh yeah. I also have one golden, which are very hard to find. Ew. Oh yeah. Alright, let's go, Priscilla. You're on my team. Let's beat these Johto leaders. I will crush you back, Thorn City leader Claire. I will take the Rising Badge from you. She's paralyzed. Quick! Yeah! Get that out of here. Look, a shiny Cresselia. That's mine. This. No, Cresselia, don't die. Dang. You already took out 2 of my Pokemon. Well, I didn't want to do this, but Lucario, Mega Evolve. Oh yeah, dead. Oh yeah, you're Dragon type, right? They'll test me. I will beat you. No, 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 no! Everything was going well. Ooh. No! I'm dead. Unless... Hydro Pump! Hydro Pump! Rock Tomb? Oh god. Ow! Dang! I made it to Salamence. Well, guess what? I've got potions. Ultra. Another Ultra. Another Ultra. Another Ultra. Oh! Ooh. No. Well, YouTube, I think that's all for today. I shall see you guys later. And next time I will beat the gym when I'm leveled up. Bye-bye.